Hello guys, welcome to my third video on my YouTube channel. And here we are on Punko Punko. This is a pond, a big pond. And as you can see, there's rocks and many trees. And it's raining. We are in so many crabs on the holes. That's where they live. And anyways, my story is about the jealous elephant, the mean elephant, and the clever owl. Once upon a time, there lived many little animals. The rabbits were playing. The frogs were splashing onto their pond, and the birds chirping. The bees buzz are making honey. One day, an elephant came to the forest to live. They heard the elephant and decided to be their king. They put a welcome sign. But to their surprise, the elephant was very mean. He tossed the sign, and the little mouse, he grabbed the rabbit and threw her away. Wow! And he picked the carrots for himself. He emptied the pond at the frog's pond. He shook the bees' hive and exchanged the nests and the pigeons, birds, and butterflies. He tossed them with stones. The little animals were so disappointed. They thought that the elephant was so kind and cheerful. But they were so disappointed. He was very mean. I hope the elephant wasn't mean to us. Yeah, always ruins our life. He wants the forest to be his own world. We must put an end to this. When the elephant was going for a walk, the woodpecker said, "Hello, elephant. Have a nice day." But he didn't notice he was merely on arranging numbers. 1 and 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 10, 9, 8. What are you saying? He tossed the woodpecker away. Wow! He was busy. They went to the front owl and they said, "Owl, the elephant was so very mean." I know. Let's put a stop. They whispered and whispered. One day, the elephant decided to have fun with the other little animals. I'm gonna have fun with the little animals. But the bees were in the hive and they said, "Buzz, buzz, buzz," was so loudly. The bees are loud today. I must cover my ears and close my eyes. When he was closing his eyes, the woodpecker packed his eyes. Ow! Ouch! The frogs prepared a ditch, like a hole, a big hole, and it's so deep. The rabbits prepare a movie trap. There was a log on top. When the elephant was there, he tumbled on the line, and the log will push him to the ditch. If he opened his eyes, the elephant grew very angry and sprayed water to the frogs. But that did not happen. There was a line. The elephant stepped on it. There was a log on his back and pushed him to the depths, into the hole. And he said, "Help, help." And the little animals and the owls said to him, "You must be kind to my friends here, elephant, or else you don't have any friends and that will happen to you." "I'm sorry, I won't do that again." And many days, the elephant grew very, very kind and respectful. He helped and helped. The carrots were growing, and he picked them up for the rabbits. And he was the kindest of all. The